Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the 360 camera and getting it stable. This matters because face tracking needs steady geometry to learn features. Once done, pair your phone app via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and grant camera permissions so the app can access video and microphone. Then position the camera about 3 to 5 feet away at eye level. Make sure lighting is even so the tracker can detect contours. Begin the app's live view and select the face tracking or auto track mode to start the process. You now initiate calibration. Tap the auto face tracking button and select single face for one subject or multi for group. During the app's guided calibration, ask the subject to slowly rotate their head about 45 degrees left and right and tilt slightly so the algorithm gets multiple feature angles. After the scan, make sure to adjust sensitivity and smoothing. Lower sensitivity reduces jitter. Higher smoothing adds lag, so you balance responsiveness and steadiness during movement. You'll now record with face tracking active, watching the live view to confirm the subject stays centered and framed. If the tracker drifts or loses the face, stop and recalibrate immediately, often improving front lighting or adding contrast to the background fixes loss. Make sure firmware and app are current. Updates often fix tracking bugs, and if problems persist, move the camera slightly to reduce background clutter. Finally, restart the app as a quick reset before trying another take.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.